Hello everyone, I am JD Solanki and I will be your instructor for this course. I am currently working on WordPress theme development. Besides that, I am also trying Python web development. So I thought that it will be nice to let you know about the things that I know. That's why I joined Udemy to teach you something helpful. This course is not so lengthy, so you can master CSS Grid System in just a week if you dedicate yourself to learning. After 1 week, you will be able to build nice, flexible and advanced layout using CSS Grid System. I will cover everything so you don't have to go anywhere to find more. I have built nice presentation so you can understand everything easily. We will start our journey with introduction and terminology and then to some lightweight basic topics. After that, I will give you one layout task which you can perform by using what you learned. And you will learn 3 different methods of building this exact same layout. Then I will teach you about some more interesting topics to build flexible layout. Now, who can take this course? Minimum requirement is you should know little HTML and CSS and then you are ready to rock. However, if you previously worked with HTML and CSS, then this is perfect course to learn CSS Grid System and take your CSS skill to next level. See you in the course.